Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to unlock your Google account now. First, confirm your Samsung model and Android version so you follow the right screens. Make sure the phone is charged above 50% and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Have your Google account email or recovery phone ready because you'll need them immediately. Once ready, open Settings, go to Accounts and Backup, then Accounts. Tap Add Account or the locked Google account and choose Recover Account. This begins verification and avoids delays. Once done with the initial prompts, follow Google's on-device recovery flow. Enter your recovery email or phone when prompted. Google will send a verification code or ask security questions. If you have two-step verification enabled, choose the method you set up, code via SMS, Authenticator app, or backup codes, and enter it promptly. Make sure to type codes exactly and check alternate inboxes and spam. If prompted, create a new device password and review recent activity to confirm it's you. Finish by setting a strong new Google password and updating recovery options so you won't repeat this. Sign back into Play Store and confirm sync for contacts, Drive, and Photos so data returns. Make sure apps using Google services reconnect by signing in individually when prompted. If the account still won't unlock, use Samsung's Find My Mobile to remotely unlock, or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset. Be aware that reset erases local data, so only use it if you've exhausted recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.